Hey everyone, it's Zachary Luke of Zachary Luke Designs, and joining me today is my sister and new interior decorator,
Hello.
Chelsea, and we are doing an installation in Lake Wylie, South Carolina today in this loft space, and we're going to be doing a dining space over here. We're going to flip the rug back here, add an ottoman and a couple side chairs.
We have this rug here that we're going to lay out before we bring in the table and chairs. Over here we have two lamps going on top of this Murphy bed.
Right.
And then we have a mirror that's coming in a couple weeks. In these built-ins over here, we're going to put some accessories and that's it.
Yeah, thanks, and we'll see you soon.
It's very important work.
I want to maybe do a picture on one of these chairs. Like, you both sit down or you sit down and I stand up behind you, kind of thing. Yeah, okay, yeah. So much. I thought these were lighter. So here we are at the conclusion of the installation. All of the furniture has been brought up, everything is placed for the most part. And for this project, I focused on the initial consultation and the measuring and the floor plan, which is more of the interior architectural components or side of the project. And Chelsea and I did the selections together, which are, like I said, are placed. And then she's going to focus on
The accessorizing. So I have a few new pieces that we chose for this space. And I'm going to incorporate them with some of the existing pieces that the client already had. So
Yeah.
we're gonna get to that, and then we'll be finished.
Yeah. She go asking for 3 light bulbs.
Oh my gosh, I was just thinking that in my brain. Do you want me to go ask them for light bulbs? Get out of my brain.
Get out of my head, yeah.
It's like weird.
I know, it's like ESPN or something.
That's
Were you just gonna say that too?
Yeah.
Oh, stop it!
So creepy.
Oh my gosh.
Love it.
Yeah.
Absolutely love it. Now that you have seen how well we can work together and what we can accomplish, we're going to show you some of the items that we've selected for this space and how it all came together and how beautiful it looks.
Yeah. So what we have here are the dining chairs, which match the bar stools, and they're done in the linen, and the linen matches the ottoman over here. The ottoman base is a dark iron finish, which matches the dark iron finish on the table, and then the light finish on the dining table here matches the light finish on the dining table. So just a few pieces to pull the dining area in with the living room area. So yeah,
Yeah, I think it looks beautiful.
It looks
You did a
great.
great job.
we're gonna go ahead and show that real soon. Good spot then. Right? It's not hitting it, is it?
Oh, your wrong legs.
I know, they're both much shorter than I am.
Yes. Stop touching my ball.
I can't help it.
Okay.
It's so shiny. I know,
Friendly.
everything is.
Yeah.
I love this little ottoman. I can look.
Don't sit on it with your fat butt and break it.
It's budget conscious.